So in this video, we will explain to you how you can go about using the artist onboarding email that you receive from 21AD after signing up on our website through the Sell Your Art button, or if someone has invited you directly and sent you the email as an invite. We begin this video by talking to you about what 21AD does in the first paragraph. In the second paragraph, we give you a very rough brief on how our revenue model works, and then we mention all the products to you that is sold on our platform and that you can sell through our platform. After this, the first link that you see is the link to your dashboard. So once this opens up, you need to log into the dashboard, and after logging in, your dashboard looks like this. So after this, next link that you see is a link to our WhatsApp group. Why this link is important is because when you join this link, you become a part of a community that has way too many artists like you. All artists who wish to support each other, who wish to collaborate and see how they can take their individual journeys forward together. Other than this, we will be sending you regular marketing tips on this group. Any updates from our end in terms of something's going wrong. And other than this WhatsApp group will basically become a form of communication between the artists and the 21AD team and the artists amongst themselves. Moving on, the next link that you see is the link to a YouTube playlist. This link takes you to a playlist that shows you on the best practices of using your dashboard, or how you can access your dashboard or your login portal in the best possible manner. After this, there's a mockup design link. This link takes you to a Google folder that has a lot of PSD files of mockups of all the products mentioned over here. Why is this link important? Is because when you upload a product on your dashboard or on your website, it should look like the product that will be sent to a customer. And if you create these mockups, let's say you're selling a cup, and if you use this file, so these mockups looks up, so these folders like this, and it has mockups like this. So you can like possibly open the mockup, and because it's a PSD file, you can insert a design over here, and you get a real life image of how your product is going to look like. So these are the designs that you upload from your end on your front end of the website. These designs will be uploaded on your website. Moving on, next thing that you see is product spec sheet. This link takes you to this sheet, which has all the details, all the specifications that you would need about each and every product that you will sell through your platform. After this, there's a link to a sheet that you need to fill every time you sell new art. And then there's an FAQ link. So the last link to discuss is the design template link, the third link from the top. So once you click this link, it opens up a folder like this. These contain the templates or the formats in which the designs will be sent to the backend. So creating the mockup is for the website, but these templates are the templates for the website. There's a template for each and every product over here. You open the folder, it shows you how the product should be placed. So you can download it in PSD format. A Photoshop file will be opened which can be edited. So you don't have to worry about it. It's a fairly simple process. So that covers all your link. So after this, now let's move on to the next bit of this video, where we talk to you about how to exactly upload a product and what are the steps involved in uploading a product. So firstly, you go onto your dashboard, you go into your product listing, and once you go to product listings, you will see this button that says add product over here. This button will only be visible to you if you've entered your bank account details, to which we will send you money once you earn your commission. Secondly, when you've updated your address. So updating product happens in your profile through my account, and payment details can be added to the payment details method. Okay. So if you hit add product, and if you use this form to add products, this will add the product to your front end. After this, one more important aspect is to send the product to us 21AD team, to upload it to our backend also. Because so once someone sees this product that you upload over here on your website and clicks on it and makes an order, we automatically trigger a button in our backend that places the order through our vendor also, and the product actually reaches your customer. In order to do that, you firstly fill this form. In order to fill this form, it's a normal product. After that, you need to fill a product notebook. So in this case, we are creating a mockup for a design called Scooby, and we are uploading a notebook. So I will write Scooby A5 notebook, and then I will mention my name over here, because so it's good practice to mention name over here. So if someone in the future goes on to 21ED website and searches for your name, your products will come before that. Okay, so when you hit here product types, where we're selling notebooks, so we'll select notebooks. If you want, you can give a description. It's ideal that you give a description. Price of the notebook is whatever price you decide. So let's say in our case, we decide to sell the notebook for 250. We write 250 at price. Compare at price is the price from which it will be compared. So for example, at times you open certain e-commerce platforms and you see a discount over there. How is the discount happening? So they mention a higher price, which is basically a compare at price, and price is the price that you actually sell the product at. So if you want, you can add a compared price or not. It does not matter. I am not going to add a compared price in this case. After this, you need an image to add. It is suggested that you add a mockup that you will previously spoken about. So I am going to select a mockup and I will upload the mockup over here. So here is a notebook mockup of the design, of the Scooby design. It is also a good practice to add an image of the design so people can get a closer look of exactly what you are selling to them. This should always be in PNG format wherever you upload it to. After this, you come to collections. As it's a notebook, it will go into the notebook collection. So you hit collections, notebook select ho gaya. Once you've done all this, it's always important to hit the save changes button so the product is saved into your backend, into your front end. So once this process is done, this product has been sent for approval but is not actually approved till now. So if you come to product listing and you look at a product, it says approval pending. So product will only be approved if we have all the necessary information in our backend. How do you do that? So in your email, you will see that it says here is the sheet you need to fill whenever you upload new art. You go to the sheet, I click on the sheet, and this is what opens up. I will download it from here because it's in view only format, and you always download it in .xlsx format. It's a thing that you will have to remember from now. Now once the sheet opens up, this is the first sheet, this is the second sheet, this is the third sheet. So first let's start with the price calculator. So what price calculator exactly says? So let's say Vartalab price is the price that 21ED is charged or charges to you for the product. Artist price is the sale price of the product on the website, and artist profit is what you exactly make through this transaction. So in this case, as I had set my notebook at 250 rupees over there, I am going to charge it at 250 over here, and I will be able to say the profit I am generating from this one sale would be 49.2 rupees. And I am okay with that because according to me, 250 is a very good price for a notebook, which could be different for your case. So I will set it at 250 and move forward. So now next thing is product types. It basically tells you the product type for every category of the product that you're selling. So in our case, we're selling a notebook, so our product type is A5 Viro bound notebook. Cool. So now first thing is product name of the product. This is the name of the product that will be displayed on the website. So in our case, we had written Scooby A5 notebook, and then I had written Gauranj. Next blank asks you for artwork name, that is the name of the artwork's PNG file. So every product that you upload, you are supposed to send the PNG file of the artwork with the email separately to be added to the backend. So this is the file that I'll be sending, which is in .png format. So it's called Scooby over here with a capital S. So I will go to my spreadsheet and I will write SCOOBY.png. Cool. Now next column asks you for product type. So you come back to product type sheet. I see A5 Viro notebooks. I will copy this from here and I will paste it directly over here. Sale price, I have set it at 250, so I will add 250 over here. Once you have added all this information, you go to file, save as, and you save the file. So as my name is Gauransh, I'm going to save the file with name the same name. So this makes it easy for the people on backend to work on the listing. So Gauransh products is the name of the file now, and I will save the file. Okay, so this is done. My design is ready. So and my front end product is still yet to be approved, for which I need to send them an email in the backend. So once your spreadsheet is ready, next step is to send an email to us with the spreadsheet and your art. So the email will be sent to hello@2180.in, which is the same email from which you had received your onboarding mail. And my subject would be my name, and that it's for product upload. So now I will have two attachments. First is the PNG file that I'm supposed to save. You can add multiple products also at once. Just for the ease of it, I have taken one product for this example, but any number of examples are welcome. And the spreadsheet that I had created, Gauransh products, I will add that spreadsheet to here, and I will send this email to Sarthak, and my job is done. So after doing these two steps, my products will be approved on the platform in 1 or 2 days, or could take up to 72 hours depending on the number of products you're trying to upload, and also depending on the number of people who have put up their products for approval at that point. So that is about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video is very important, and I hope this video was very helpful to you also. If there are any more doubts, any further questions, please feel free to get in touch at any point with us if you want to.